welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unboxing a Sony Alpha A6400. So here is the box, and this box containing 64 GB memory card which is inside and 2-year warranty. And this product is also have a award best product of 2019-2020. This award is called the EISA award, photo and video both. TPA World Award 2019, and this come with a MRP of 19,990 inclusive all taxes. This box containing one unit including lens, which is a 16 to 15 mm kit lens. That lens have focus 3.5 to 5.6 OSS lens, and we are seeing here description of the product. This is a 24.2 megapixel camera, APS-C sensor camera, and ISO range is 100 to 32,000, and this can shoot 11 frame per second. This is also have the 425 autofocus point and real-time eye autofocus, so which is good things. Real-time autofocus in video mode and real-time tracking actually provide every camera. So this is the main things: the eye autofocus, silent shooting, touch focus, and shutter. This is capable of shooting 4K in HDR, and this record the Dolby audio sound, and this is a Wi-Fi certified. There is a connection of the HDMI and OLED True Finder, and this also have the Bluetooth and NFC. So we seeing here, this is showing the supplied accessories which you are getting inside the box. So first is a AC adapter. We are going to unbox this one, which is I also see this back. So this one, okay, this one in the box, and this one is the warranty card, some vouchers. This is the reference guide voucher. This is about the lens, and this interchangeable lens digital camera startup guide, and this one is the accessories guide where you can purchase anything. And this is a list of the Sony service center where you can fix your camera problem if you face any in future. And let's see inside the box. This is a battery charger, interconnectable. Okay, other one, this one is the battery. Battery capacity is this one, Sony NP-FW50. So this battery gives around 300 to 400 shots according to users. This is a viewfinder cap. You can see it. The quality of this viewfinder cap is nice, and we put there. This is the camera charger. Here is the two cable. We put one cable there, and this one cable is there, and charge the camera. And other things is the Sony belt. You can see it. The Sony badging is here, which looks nice. This is the orange strip. This gave fantastic views. Okay, now here is the main product. We open it. You can see it. We put there. Here is the main product. This is Sony Alpha 64. You can see it, and we already put a memory card inside it, which is 64 GB. You can see it. reading capacity is 270 MB per second and writing capacity is of 70 MB per second, which is good for 4K video. And now we put battery inside and on the camera. Let's see its function. Okay, so here is the cap. You can see it, Sony badging is here. Okay, this is Alpha 6400. This is capable of shooting 4K, and this lens is a Sora 50 mm and aperture 3.5 to 5.6. So we sit, there is a dial set auto mode, and we on the camera by pressing this button. You can see it, the lens is come out. This is a power lens. We can zoom and zoom in, zoom out using this. You can see it. And this is zoom in, zoom out, and what behind left side, you can see microphone connection, one HDMI and one charging connector. The other side we can see there is a movie starting button. This is sign of the NFC, capable of NFC this, and it have two custom buttons, C1 and C2. This screen is flip out and rotate 180 degree like this. You can see it. So for blogging purpose, this camera is perfect. You can see yourself while you shooting. Here, have a look from front, back side, side. So here is, so now we can use it at low angle shot like this one. So this is a very good from the Sony, and this camera is good for blogging. So here is the unboxing of the Sony Alpha 6400 with a 16 to 15 mm lens. We get this camera at the price of 75,750 rupees in the month of the December 2020. If you get the best price, then please comment below, and any inquiry about this camera you can ask me in comment, and I will try to solve your inquiry as soon as possible. So this camera package, I didn't have received any camera bag. So let me know if you have received any camera bag with this camera at this price. Please let me know. So thank you guys for watching my channel. This is my first video, and you find any mistake, please forgive me, and put the comment below any discrepancy you find in this video. So hope you guys like this video. Okay, bye.